Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adekbechu and this is Mommy Mo's Kitchen. To all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Thank you for your support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make goat meat stew. So please do well to stick around to the end. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. To prepare our goat meat stew, we will need goat meat. So I have my goat meat all cut into small chunks and I have them in this instant pot. I'll be using the instant pot to cook my goat meat. I want my goat meat to be soft and tender, and you know that meat that falls off easily without any struggle with your teeth. So that's what we are going for. So I'm going to go ahead and season my goat meat. I'll be using onions, curry powder, garlic, ginger powder, salt, and some seasoning. If you do not have an instant pot, you can always cook your goat meat in a pot on your stove as well. You just need to make sure that you cook it for a longer time so you can achieve that tender, juicy goat meat. Okay, moving on, I'm going to add in some water. I always make sure that my goat meat is filled up with the water in the instant pot, and I'm going to go ahead and close the instant pot, lock it, and set the timer to meat. I'm just going to press the meat button, and that's it, guys. While my goat meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and prepare my stew base. I'll be using some tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes. I'll be using shepherd pepper, popularly called tatashe, and some Scotch Bonnet pepper, atarodo. I'm also going to be using some onions. I'll go ahead to wash my pepper and add them all in my blender so I can blend it all together. The full list of the ingredients along with measurement will be available in the description box, so please check it out so you can recreate this yummy recipe. We'll pour in the pepper mix into a pot on my stove and allow it to boil to remove the excess water. My meat is all ready now. I'm going to transfer this into a paper-lined tray and put it inside my oven for it to grill. I've preheated my oven and I'm going to place my goat meat into the oven and allow it to grill for about 30 minutes. Now my goat meat is all ready. It's time for us to prepare our stew. I'm going to place a pot of oil on a stove and add in some chopped onions. I'm going to saute the onions for about a minute. Add in my pepper mix and allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll go ahead to add in my seasoning. I'm only going to be using salt and seasoning. We'll add in my goat meat because I want the goat meat to infuse its flavor into the stew. So I'm going to be adding my goat meat immediately and allow it all to fry together. Let them get to know each other and disturb your neighbor with the aroma. Trust me guys, this tastes so good. Just look at how beautiful and inviting this looks, and trust me, the smell is mind-blowing. You can have this with anything, your rice, your swallow. Think of anything. Like, this tastes so good. And that's it. Your goat meat is ready. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comment in the description below, and tag me on my socials if you try out this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.